Alrighty, this is Bob Joyner taking a look at the trades posted in the morning chat room here, and more information at the end of this slide if you're interested in joining us in that chat room. This is for Friday, March the 3rd, and a couple of interesting things today in the market, so let's go ahead and look at these and see what happened. First trade up, posted a high probability short for GNC. If you've not been watching the videos this week, the symbol is stated over here on the right, the time of the post is stated, and whether it's a high probability short or long is posted. Since it's a red line, I posted it as a high probability short here initially. Now, one of the things I have to explain here, about 10%, about 8 to 10% of the trades posted in the chat room go up and hit what we call a double down line. That double down line is a preset line that is a point at which traders can have the option to either close out and take a loss on the initial position, or they can do what's called a double down. Now, one of the things you should remember is that these are a small percentage of the trades posted in the chat room. So if, I'm not a firm believer in doubling down or averaging down, as most people call it, but sometimes the positions warrant it. And one of the things that I do in the chat room that's a little bit different is I trade contextually in the market. So for example, GNC, as I posted on the Facebook page this morning, is a contextual short. Therefore, I would only take that as a short trade. I would not even look at it as a long trade, which means that doubling down at a preset line of known resistance is okay. Okay, as long as, again, as I repeat, as long as these double down trades only make up a small percentage of your overall trades. If you find yourself just doubling down willy-nilly because the trade moves against you, then you're probably going to have a lot of losing trades. You're going to lose a lot of money. Also, if you're not trading contextually, this will not work out as well at all. Okay, so anyway, so that created a double down situation. That gave us an 879 as a break even point on that double position. And then as you can see, price continued to fall and did not find support until it came down to the R2 area. So interesting enough, we had two trades. I think we only had one other trade the whole week that was a double down. But today we had two right off the bat. The first ones I posted AOBC as a high probability short, again since it's a contextual short. Here at the red line, it came right up to the area, the secondary area of the double down line. That gave us 1836 as a break even point on that double position, and then it came right back down to 18 and made a profit. Wing I posted at 954 as a high probability short right here at the red line, came down, hit target. AMD posted as a high probability short. AMD has been a contextual long for a long time, but today it fell through some critical areas of support, back up in this area in here around 1370. So today when it pushed back up to this area of resistance, I posted as a high probability short at 1008, came down and hit target. MU has been a contextual long for a while, posted as a high probability long at 1021. You can see where it found support in that area, ended up hitting target and continuing higher. And then last trade of the day, I finally posted a high probability long situation on Snap. Interesting situation on Snap today. If you go back, I'm not going to do it here on this chart, but if you take a fib line back from yesterday's closing point on Snap, and if you look at every new high and retracement, every time it went to a new high, it retraced to a 23% fib line, found support, moved up. Retraced to 23% fib line, moved up. Retraced to 23, found support, moved up. So very interesting to do that. Anyway, I posted it here based on some technical indicators. I thought it was going to break out to another new high again. It did hit target along the way. So 6 trades in the chat room this morning, all worked out. A little longer video today, but hopefully this review and a little bit deeping into the trades posted in the chat room is helpful for everybody. Again, if you're interested in more information, please check out bobjoyner.com. That's me in the picture there. And our chat room is called Stock Talk. It's my chat room. Been leading chat rooms for about 8 years now, so be glad for you to check it out and join us if you would like to. Hope you have a great weekend.